This is question 10 on the Mod 5 Higher Paper 1 from November 2010. We've got a diagram, two right-angled triangles. First triangle here with the right angle, second triangle here with a right angle. We're told one length and we're told some trigonometry information. We're told that tan of x is 0.8 and we're told that cos of angle y is 0.9. We've got to end up working out what QR is, this line over here. The first thing to do though is to use this triangle here because this one's got a number on it, so we've got more information about this one. If that's our angle and that's our right angle and we're just looking at this triangle here, this side between the angle and the right angle is the adjacent. This side over here will be the opposite. And if you've got this angle, that's the angle, that's the opposite, that's the adjacent. If you're dealing with opposite and adjacent, you're dealing with tan, because tan is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. And in this case, that means that tan x will be equal to the opposite, which at the moment we don't know, so I'll put a question mark for that, divided by the adjacent, which we do know is 5. So I've replaced my opposite with my question mark because I don't know it. My adjacent I've replaced with 5. That's what's equal to tan of x. But the question tells us tan of x is 0.8. So that means 0.8 is equal to this side we don't know, divided by 5. So to find the value of the side we don't know, which is the question mark here, instead of doing a dividing by 5, if I move that 5 and times it by the 0.8, I will get the value of this missing side here. And 5 times by 0.8 is 4. So I now know that this missing side here is 4. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to switch to a clean diagram again for the rest of this question. So I've now worked out that this side here is 4. I'm not going to look at any part of the triangle on the left. I've got a 4, I've got a right angle and an angle. So this side here is my adjacent side. And side QR, this is the side I'm actually interested in here. So that's now going to be my question mark side. Over here I now know that's 4. Now that's the long side, it's the side opposite the right angle. So that's going to be my hypotenuse. I'm not actually interested in this side. And if you've got adjacent and hypotenuse, then you use the cosine formula for cos. Cos is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So I know here that cos of my angle, cos of y, is my adjacent, which I don't know, so I'll put the question mark there, divided by my hypotenuse, which is 4. But the question tells me cos of y is actually 0.9. So I get here 0.9 is this mystery number, divided by 4. So to find the mystery number, just like before, instead of dividing by something, I need to times. And if I do 4 times by 0.9, I will get my mystery number. 4 9s are 36, so 4 0.9s are 3.6. And that's the answer to question 10.